nna nkwe gara adobiri obere maka ebe anyị na-ejetere aka ọrịrị ga-akpụ ya nkụ n'uche nke kedu mmekọrịta dị n'etiti Ojukwu na ZIK nakwa ndị isi ndị Igbo ndị ọzọ ma ọ bụrụ na eburu uche bịaruo n'ihe mere anyị ji emerighị n'agha ma ọ bụ ihe eji meri anyị?
Well, you check your Ojukwu if that na Ojukwu abụrụ a politician. Ojukwu chọrọ ime ebe ọgwa ọ bụ na ọ like ọ ga-agwa ya na ya like ọ bụla ọkpụ na-etibe. You know, Ojukwu in his own right, I'm his antecedents. He check even melo. Nobody can do it. Oji ego papier. We support to the war effort. Can you go in the mother reset? Rehabilitation is one thing. They make it displaced. You need to be rehabilitated. Actually, go first. When you get me nobody, also Ojukwu meleba. You know, what we're saying is that when Ojukwu was busy, ZIK vana bankava nkem also you know nkem obron kai ikpagide nkege ekuku nkai because obro so fuonya na ebi n'ụwa I need lo nwa anyị ndị Enugu need ndị Ọka need ndị Enugu onye I need lo nwa anyị. So what we're saying that Ojukwu did all he could to bring the people together. You check here too the constitution of the army too. Well, I hear people know, talk about Emma Okpara. The only saving grace I want in respect of our relationship with our neighbors, these minorities. More bro for Walamero. Any man secretary was SSG. Then we Muke there. And we Douglas not there. We had Ikmeme, Ndikalaba. We had a crop of, it was balanced. Well, I mean balanced. It can never be 50-50. But you check Ivo Jukumel, Ubudu cattle ranch, that was the best cattle ranch in Africa. And I remember around 1964 we were Okpalaku. Also that now by 1970, I'm going to export milk from Ubudu cattle ranch. Around 1965, Febidogi moved the cattle ranch from Obro location, that is, and actually make a second branch, no so one, a farm settlement. You guys know so one. That was the second phase of the cattle ranch. And our plants, by 1970, would have been exporting milk.
Okay,
yeah. See, it's a no go. Mr. Gani no go. Ojukwu achọbụrụ ka anụ ọgụ a, but ndị Igbo gwara nwanna nye anyị egbe ka anyị defend onwe anyị ka ndị agha bịa memina anyị, you know. So much as we weren't ready, he was man, Ojukwu is a historian, almighty history of war history, and he was a soldier too, one of the best. You check here, only one stop spoiler Njogu school. Ojukwu, so the primary people made work. I know. What we're trying to say is that the Ojukwu was there on his own, trying to build. ZIK no nankie na building kia empire. Check here ni aka. University of Nigeria Nsukka. Gịnị ka ZIK mere oge ndị Nsukka nyere anyị? O kele ụzọ na abụ. Ke fu na akari. O kele ụzọ na abụ when ZIK flat. Nkie. Si anyị jijeje the other half.
Ejiro University.
Ndị Nsukka nyere ana. Oke ana ụzọ na abụ. We bido nkie rapụzi anyị nke ọzọ anyị kwa na nke nyere anyị ZIK flats, you know about it. ACB, he started ACB. Obuzoliye got £1 million for. That was the cost of the death of Bono ZIK. Anything ZIK started, no one can work. One of us. Check here, West African pilot, Obido, failed. Tribune, was Bidol worked. Where my bank is still there. ACB and one. The first fraud in a bank, all ZIK, who no join your domel. £1 million. So, take ZIK, a maroma, only Igbo, only Kanuri. Man, amaro. Because no gone. Okay, now my British Airways. I'm the Yoruba. They say, I don't like ZIK. See, I like Romeo. So one of them, and so we one of them will be a transfer. Amusa, legally Amusa and my papa. We not one weekend. Or some SASA. Kinika, Unya Lonka, Bara, Oya Lonka, Emma Bara, Oya Lonka, Emma, Kinika ZIK, the only follow. So he came and told, so SASA, you know, Obra Naranya, they are Siasibet. Oh, dear, he may Vama, and the Marunama. He may one cordial. So ZIK now one Katanki for himself. About his family. For Ndi Boyana Emma. So you see, Yana Emma were very close. Very close. The South, you people should know that the South of Nigeria was ready for independence in 1957. We would have had independence with Ghana. All ZIK Sefachalo. Up till now, I can agenda. I get check it over till a while. Not even ready. Get those you.